In this video, we are going to show you how to add blocks to your website. But first, what are blocks? Blocks majorly are the boxes of content such as user login or Whois Online block that can be displayed in regions on your website. For example, let's visit the Nige website and see the display of the website. This is Nige, and on this website you have this particular region as a particular region. Then by the sidebar here, this is a block for adding adverts. If we scroll down a bit more, we also have this section, which is a region, and then by the right sidebar, we have a block. So most sites are made up of regions and block. Within regions, we have blocks. Like this section that you have currently on the screen. This is a region, and within this region, we possibly might have 3 blocks, in which this is one block, this is another block, and this is another block. You can have as many as possible blocks on your website, and it is up to you to define how you want your blog to look like, and then it is also up to you to how to define what the content of the blocks are. For example, this particular region shows a simple block of how to get the Nige application on Google Play. So if you click on this, it will take you to the Google Play Store. And this region, we also have this particular block. So we are going to take you through how to add different blocks on your Drupal website. Going back to the first tab. Okay, now this is the region for blocks. How do we get here? From structure above here, from structure we click on blocks. Now this is block, and by default blocks are enabled. You can move blocks around your website based on predefined regions. The regions are based on the kind of theme that you download or that you installed on your website. Now let me take you around. Let's go back to the front page of our website. This is the front page of our website. This is a particular block, the navigation block. Supposing we want to add another block to this region, that is to the left sidebar, all we need to do is to go to the structure block section of the site, and we scroll down. If we scroll down, by default we have a number of disabled blocks. Now this is the main menu block. This is where to put it. This is the number of regions that we have. If I click on this particular region, and then I can choose where I want this block to be placed. Supposing I want this block to be placed in the first sidebar, all I need to do is click on first sidebar, and then it has automatically moved to first sidebar. So then all I need to do now is to save that block. After saving the block, let's go back to the front page to see. Wow, we have seen another block by the left sidebar of our website. We can go back and do the same to add more and more blocks to that same left sidebar. Let me go back to the disabled blocks. I want to put Whois Online so that I can have Whois Online the first sidebar, and then the Whois New, I want to put that to the second sidebar. Okay, so let me save that and see how it looks like now. So by clicking on home, wow, that's interesting. We've seen that we have another block by the right sidebar of our website. We have another block here. You can have as many as possible. You can also create new ones. Let me show you how to create a new block for your website. You go back to structure, blocks, and click on add block. There you have it. And by clicking on add block, we can have a title for our block. Let's say my text. Then description. This is used for the administrative purpose, so that you can see the list of blogs that you have created. So usually I use the same blog title as the blog description. It shouldn't be longer than than the blog title. Well, it's not a law, but it's a preference. You can choose otherwise. Blog body. So let me add content. Let me say this is a body of the content of some to the things like that, and you can add as many as possible things. Now let's say okay. Well, where are we going to put this block? By default, we have two things enabled, but this is the one we are using currently. Now I want to put this block that we have just created to the second sidebar. Then we can simply save this. Let's see. Okay, now that we have saved this, let's close this and let's see how our website looks like now. Good. Well, we have created our new block, which is my text, and then this is the you can add images, you can add adverts, you can add anything, just anything to this particular block, and it will be displayed to your users, not only you. But what if we want to restrict this block to only logged in user, or to some specific pages, or to a particular section of the website? In the next video, we will show you how to add blocks for specific people on your website. Supposing we want this blog to be seen by only logged in user, that is users that are logged into your website, then in the next video we show you how to do that and some other interesting things.